We're doing an RFID demo here. So here we have a RFID antenna that continuously pings, and it allows us to hit it multiple times and read multiple IPs. And we create some web screens here that will see them. So Tim, if you want to bring over an item. So here we have just a screwdriver. We put that on. So up here now, you can see we have an IP. Now we can add a description into it. For this demo I won't. But you can read here, you see the timer's going up. When I take the screwdriver away, it stops reading it. So give me another item, Tim. So we'll go ahead and get this box here. So now we added 2 items. So it auto starts calculating the second one. And what we do here is, this is basically a unique ID that tells us that this item is in the view of the sensor. And here you can see the timer's going up, which shows that this is the last time it saw this item. So why don't you give me both of those? So here we're going to have both of these. And now you can see both timers are going up. So I have these items right here. But now if I go, and it's also doing it on the laptop here, and do it on multiple devices. So now if I take one of these away, and I'm just going to zoom in. So I have these here. I'm going to take one away. So you see how the one that's still in view, timer is still going up. So give me the 2 cards now. So here, we're going to bring 2 new items into view. It auto adds them. And these are the 2 items that we brought into view. And you can see the 2 items that are in view at the bottom there, these right here, are still there. Give me all the items. So now you should see, here you can see all the items now. And we added an extra one. So you can read multiple of them at a time. And then when they leave view again, take those 2. You see the RFID stops reading. So that shows the last time that it came within view of that particular sensor. So this sensor here, this one reads at about, I would guess 1 or 2 yards away, and it does multiple of them at a time. This sensor can also be configured so that way it could read up to 25 yards away, a single sensor at a time. And with different views, or different hardware, you can view it differently. So that way, or you can read multiple different sensors. So that way you can set it up so that way the sensor is reading maybe 5 or 6 yards away at multi-sensor, or at 20 yards away. It really depends on how you intend on doing it. They make mobile RFID sensors, but we take the sensor data here and just push that to our web program, which then will allow us to interface in with an existing accounting system or interface that in with our SlimApp system. And these unique IDs basically become a unique fingerprint. As you see it's a really long ID. And that fingerprint is what we use to say when's the last time we saw this particular item. And then we match that fingerprint to either a lot level item or an inventory item.